Babes, welcome back to another wig review. My name is Kimberly. If you're new to my channel, please feel free to hit that subscribe button and like this video before you leave. So guys, today's video is in collaboration with Ashimaryhair. They did send over to me an amazing unit, as y'all saw in the preview, to review for y'all. And guys, they sent over a lot of gifts. I love their gifts. They sent me a robe, lashes, headbands, and wig caps. I think I got an edge brush, nails, girl, lashes. Did I say lashes? I got a whole bunch of stuff. I always like how they pack the box with lots of goodies whenever they send me hair. So guys, this hair today is a 5x5 HD lace wig, and it is 26 inches. And guys, honestly, it is so stunning, as y'all will see. This is the perfect example of a wear and go glueless wig. It comes pre-plucked, pre-cut, pre-bleached, and with a headband. That was a mouthful, but guys, you don't need any glue, any gel, nothing at all to lay this unit down. Usually I have to add makeup to my wigs. Girl, I did not need makeup for this, and I love the headband because it made it so secure, and you will see in my installation. So this is our wig, and she is a water wave wig. Super nice, guys, and she is a 5x5 closure wig. Look at this. As soon as I put it on, it disappears. Like, look at that. Usually these wigs that come pre-cut, I still have to go in and cut them. For this specific wig, I did not have to go in and clip anything. The lace was cut perfect. It was just amazing, like straight out of the packaging. And guys, it was so snug on my head, it will not fall off. It is secure, like really secure. Like, look at that, straight out of the packaging. I was like in awe, like, wait, I don't have to cut anything off. That really, that really just amazed me. And this is what it's looking like. It is 26 inches. So I was just like checking out the length, and then I'm going in to do my part, just straightening the part that it came with. Guys, I did not have to add makeup. Like, look at how great that looks. And mind you, I have a black wig cap on. I didn't add any makeup, and I didn't add a tinting spray. I always add my tinting spray. I did not at all. The knots are bleached, and they did such a good job. Like, it looks so good. It has a natural hairline, and they did use the bye-bye knots on this wig. It is a beginner friendly wig. It takes like 30 seconds to install. I literally just put it on my head and we're good to go. And all I'm doing is just like adding some waxing, some what is that? I'm using the wax stick to add a little wax on the hair, and then I'm just hot combing the part. Definitely this part is optional, but I like to always like add some heat to my part. And then guys, I barely did anything else. I added a little bit of water to the hair, but nothing crazy. And then I just added a little bit of mousse, and the hair was good to go. This hair is so easy. It's literally a grab and go wig, like in every sense of the word. No work necessary. Like, this is so good. This is such a great beginner wig. If you are new to wigs, or if you just like your life easy without doing too much but still looking amazing, then definitely check this unit out. All the links will be in the description box. Don't forget to like this video, guys. Don't forget to comment. How are y'all feeling about this wig? Like, she truly is glueless, okay? All the links are in the description box. As I said, definitely check it out. There should be a coupon code, so get you one of these units. Huge shout outs to Ashimaryhair for sponsoring this video. The wig is giving. It's doing what it's supposed to do without me having to do a lot of work. Guys, I'm loving the finished results. It looks so good. Y'all would have thought I did a lot of work. I barely did anything, and the hair doesn't have a lot of product. The curls are beautiful. They're popping. It's melted into my skin. Listen, this is what we're into. Looking nice, minimal effort, no glue, even better. Thank you guys so much for watching. Catch you in my next one. Bye.